This video will demonstrate to you how you can create a form on your website so that your visitors can subscribe to your database. Before watching this video, you should have already set up your custom fields and your subscription groups. If you haven't done this, watch the video on setting up your database in the knowledge base. Getting contacts to add themselves to your database is one of the main aims of your online presence, and you do this by using the sign-up form creator. Sign-up forms can be placed on any web page and should be used with a strategy that encourages users to join your database, such as join our loyalty program, sign up for a free report, and so on. Visitors will give you their contact details if you have something of value in return. Creating a sign-up form is easy. Click on Settings on the top right hand of the screen, and then on Contact Database on the left panel. Click on the Add Sign Up Form button in the top right of the screen and give the form a name. Once a contact has signed up using the form, they can either be shown a confirmation message, which you can edit directly here, or redirect to a URL on your website or another website. If you have one of our sites, you can choose which page this is directly from this drop-down. You can set the form to notify you every time someone signs up, and then you can select which subscription groups you want the user to be automatically added to, like the group that a series of trigger campaigns are set to go after they have filled in the form, and also which ones you want to give the choice to subscribe to, like the monthly newsletter group. If you are finding that you are getting lots of spam through your forms, you can turn on word verification, which is a feature that gets someone to prove they are human by asking them to type in characters that appear in an image, something a spam bot cannot do. The next step will ask you to select which fields you want to collect in your form. The shorter the form, the better. If there are too many fields, you may turn off people that may have been willing to fill it in. By default, a form will show all your fields in it, so you have to remove the ones you don't want displayed. You can remove fields by clicking on the item and then hitting the delete. And you can sort the order of the fields by dragging them around. Once you hit Next, you will be presented with a code that you can then add to your web page. The code is in two forms, a table structure, which is good for sites other than ours, and the default code, which is designed to both look good, but is also usable by people with disabilities. Select all the code and copy it to your clipboard. Click Finish on the form, and then, if you have one of our sites, click on the website link on the top left and navigate to the Manage Pages area. Click on Add a Page and fill out the heading and the title. Give the page a heading and then click on the Source button and then place your cursor where you would like to place the form. Save your form and then give it a quick test run. You'll notice if we navigate back to our contacts page that the new contact is in there and has been added automatically to the loyalty program and also to the monthly newsletter. If you decide to make changes to this form at a later stage, navigate back to the Sign Up Forms tab in the Settings area. Click on the Settings link, then back to the Website Sign Up Forms tab in the Contact Database area. Click on View next to the form you want to change, and then make the change you need, which in this case is that we want to automatically subscribe the user to the client's group.